Market in Japan, where a bunch of fish being hauled around. I'm in Milan, I've been traveling all day. It's as dirty as I remember. Graffiti is everywhere. But it's Saturday afternoon. I think I got all day Sunday to screw around. See what I can get myself in trouble with. Hotel View, Milan. Making a film. My day in Milan. My 3Ds. What's the name of this place?
Brellin. B-R-E-L-L-I-N. That's Milanese dialect. It stands for basically a place where you wash your laundry.
So are we here to do our laundry?
Yes. I hope you brought yours.
I'm not here to do laundry.
No laundry?
I have a lot of laundry.
Oh, well.
It's all from skiing.
There you go.
But you're...
Would have been the right place. Right
this was
outside.
next door. There was laundry, right?
That's it. This
Looking
whole
up at these beams, I'd say this building's been here a while.
Oh, yeah. 1600s. We're here at the Vicolo delle Lavanderie. This is the antique laundry room of the Milanese. And this is definitely one of the most charming corners in Milan from the 16th century. I like it because it's a touch of old Milan that really doesn't exist anymore. It's been preserved perfectly, and now people hang out and have great dinners right by the laundry room.
Via Marcona.